Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 48 of Run the Year 2021, where we post every day for this year. And then it's day 17 of the exercise. So we're working on a 22-day challenge of slimming our stomach. Today we got Krista here. She's our timer, and I think she has her phone. Absolutely, so we're good there. Today's 17. So today is, again, we're in the phase where we're doing static and dynamic. So the static is V-sit. The dynamic's going to be the V-sit with the twist. Okay, so and I'll post, if you don't know what we're talking about, I'll post those two that we did earlier, the static and the dynamic. I'll post those up above. But with that, so we'll get started. And for this one, we're doing five reps, 20 seconds per rep for 3 sets. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll do 5. Which way are you going to be on? You going to be on this side? Okay.
Hiding behind me.
Okay, Krista was hiding behind me. Okay. All right. All right, so she's hiding behind me. So Krista has a timer. So the first one's going to be the V-sit. So whenever you're ready, and that's 20 seconds, and we'll do those together, and then we'll do one of the V-sit with the twist, or the drift, I should say, and then we'll let you guys go. So whenever you're ready.
Okay.
20 seconds. Okay. Doing 5.
All right, go.
And begin. So just balance. All right, that's 1. Good job. Krista loves these.
So I'm hiding.
She said that's why she's hiding. Okay, number 2. The hardest part is staying up. Uh-oh, that didn't sound right, huh? Good job, guys. Hang in there, hang in there, hang in there. Okay, that's set number, or rep number 2. Here we go. Number 3, and begin. Squeeze those abs, right? Transverse abdominis and the pelvic floor. Squeeze them, squeeze them. All right. What's that?
Stomach is hard.
Oh, thank you. All right, this is number, what?
8.
It's number 3.
Go.
Number 3, here we go. All right, that's number 3.
Yeah, I think that was number 4. I'm not kidding this time.
You guys tell us what it was. So we're going to call it 3 or we're going to call it 4?
All right, we'll do. I really think that was. Okay.
Okay, so if we call it 4, then we got one more. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's knock out 5 so we can get to the next one, and then we can let our family go. All right. Okay. We're going to call it number 5. Now we're going to do the V-sit with the drift. And all that is our hands slightly going from side to side while we hold our legs up. So we'll do 2 with you guys, then we'll let you go and we'll finish up. And then we'll finish up and we'll knock out the last 2 sets on our own. You can do the same thing on yours. So here we go. And begin. Now this one's a little tough because you have to move, but eventually you will be able to get your balance back. Remember the squeeze, right? Squeeze. Squeeze. Nice. Okay. One more with us.
Woo.
And begin.
Modified.
It's all about the balance and the squeeze. All right. Awesome job. Awesome job. Fam, awesome job. So there you have it. We still have 3 more reps to go on the V set with the drift, and that'll complete 1 set. And then we got 2 more sets to do. Same thing for you. So I'm proud of you. I know you got it in. Again, welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers. Oh, and for those that followed me over from my Instagram page, welcome. Hey, this is the exercise, slimming up the abs. And hey, if you like what you saw, hit that like button. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, we'll talk to you tomorrow, and invest in yourself, invest in your health. All right, see you tomorrow.